In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth spiral zoom effect in Premiere Pro. To get started, you'll need a photo with a bit of extra space to zoom into. Increase the scale from 100 to 120, just a small zoom in. That's important because the spiral zoom involves both scaling and rotation, which can reveal black edges around the frame if the image isn't large enough. Now move the playhead to the start of the clip. Next, decide what you want the zoom to focus on. Double-click on the image in the preview window. This will show a blue circle, which is your anchor point. Click and drag that circle over to the bird so the zoom effect is centered on it. Now let's animate the effect. Open the Effect Controls panel and click the stopwatch icons next to both scale and rotation to create starting keyframes. Then move the playhead forward by about 4 seconds. Increase the scale by around 20 points and set the rotation to 10 degrees. This creates that spiral zoom motion over time. If you want the zoom to happen faster, just drag the ending keyframes closer to the start of the clip. Now when you play it back, your image smoothly zooms and spirals into your bird, bringing a still photo to life with subtle motion. That's it for this effect. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.